Hello friends, welcome to live classes. If you're watching my video, please like and subscribe my channel. In last videos, we have seen prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cell. In this prokaryotic and eukaryotic cell, we have seen the plasma membrane or the cell membrane. So we will talk about plasma membrane, and some scientist has given some models of plasma membrane. So we will see in this video the models of plasma membrane and the scientists who worked on the plasma membrane. So first we will see the cell membrane was termed by the Nageli and Kramer, and this cell membrane is also known as a plasma lemma, and plasma lemma was termed by the Plover scientist. Now we are going to see the works of scientists. Overton was the first scientist who worked on the plasma membrane. So we will write here Overton, name of scientist. In 1890, he have took a plant root, means he performed his experiment on a plant root cell. Okay, then he observed that the lipid soluble substance penetrate into the cell and water soluble substance do not penetrate into cell. So we will write here observation lipid soluble substance penetrate into cell and water soluble substance do not penetrate in the cell. Okay, after this he concluded that the plasma membrane or the cell coat is of lipid, means he concluded lipids form the coat of cell, When he took a plant root cell, he performed his experiment on plant root cell. At that time he observed that the lipid soluble substance penetrate into the cell and the water soluble substance do not penetrate into cell. So from this experiment he concluded that the lipid forms the coat of cell, means cholesterol present on the membrane. Through this experiment he concluded that the cholesterol present on the membrane. Cholesterol present membrane. Okay. Now the another scientist Langmuir, he performed his experiment in 1900. Now we are going to see about Langmuir. Okay. Langmuir is the scientist. He performed his experiment in 1900. He took benzene plus phospholipid mixture. Phospholipids mixture. Okay. He spread this mixture on the water surface. Spread mixture means which mixture? Benzene plus phospholipid mixture. He spread this mixture on water. Then he observed evaporation of benzene phospholipid from monolayer. Means from single layer he observed the evaporation of benzene phospholipid. Evaporation benzene phospholipids. From monolayer. Means mono means what? Single layer. Mono layer. Okay. Here you can see mono. Then he observed that the polar head and non-polar tail. He observed polar head and non-polar tail. Non-polar tail. Now what is polar head and non-polar tail? We will see on the next page. Okay. Polar head. What he observed? Polar head and non-polar tail. Non-polar tail means what? Hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail. Hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail. Phobic means what? Hating, and philic means what? Loving. Means he observed water loving head and water hating tail. Means hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail. He observed this both condition. We will write here loving and hating. He observed this both conditions, so it is known as amphipathic molecule lipid bilayer. Amphipathic molecule means what? Amphipathic molecule means what? Both polar as well as non-polar. Both polar and non-polar. So Langmuir performed his experiment. He took benzene plus phospholipid mixture and he spread that benzene and phospholipid mixture on the water, and he observed that the evaporation of benzene phospholipid forms on the monolayer, and he observed the polar head and non-polar tail means hydrophilic head and hydrophobic tail. Means these both conditions are formed at the same times, known as amphipathic molecules. Means both polar as well as non-polar. So now we are going to see the next scientists, Gorters and Grendel. These are the two scientists that performed their experiment in 1925. So we will see. Gorters and Grendel. These were two scientists. They performed their experiment in 1925 on only lipid layer, only lipid bilayer. Okay. They have work on the erythrocytes. Erythrocytes. They work on the erythrocytes. Erythrocytes. They work on erythrocyte, but they know the number of erythrocytes present in the cell. They have took the erythrocytes example, but they know the number of erythrocytes present in the cell. Number of erythrocytes. Where known. Okay. Now The same protocol as Langmuir has used. He used benzene plus phospholipid mixture and spread on water. Same experiment was performed further. So we will write same protocol perform like Langmuir. Okay. Now next we are going to write. They found that the twice number of phospholipids and conclude that the actual lipid bilayer is present in the plasma membrane. They found means they conclude, okay. Twice number of phospholipids. Then he said that the actual number of lipid bilayer is present in plasma membrane. Lipid bilayer present in plasma membrane, okay. So Gorters and Grendel performed their experiment. We will look. Gorter and Grendel performed his experiment in 1925. They took the erythrocytes and they know the number of erythrocytes present in the cell. They follow the protocol same as the Langmuir and they found the twice number of phospholipids in the cell, and then they conclude that the lipid bilayer is present in the plasma membrane. So in this video we have seen the experiment of Overton which performed in 1890. The next experiment of Langmuir performed in 1900, and the third experiment performed by the Gorters and Grendel. Here you can see the Gorter and Grendel experiment performed in 1925. In next video we are going to see the Davson's and Daniel model, means PLLP model, which is known as a sandwich model. So thank you friends for watching my video.